Hey friends, welcome back to yet another Clean With Me video. In today's fun, fantastic episode, we will be reorganizing and cleaning out my, I don't even know what you call this, hallway closet of like backstock, cleaning supplies, linen closet. That's the word we're looking for. So as you guys can see, I've been in my apartment now for about 5 months, and this was spotless when I moved in. It was so organized, and as you guys can see, it's just gotten a little overrun. So I think I've decided, now that I've been here for a little while, I'm gonna reorganize some of these cabinets, kind of place things in some different areas, and yeah, basically just get it back to looking a little more refreshed. So that's what we're doing today. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, let's get into the chaos. Just like that. Beautiful. We're gonna ignore the slight hodgepodge that is, but look how pretty. Love it. All right, well, thanks to you guys for motivating me to clean, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.